No More Newbie here. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a Fortnite outro on Sharefactory Studio PS5, and if you have a PS4 it's exactly the same method. Video outros help increase views and watch time and give reminders to viewers to subscribe to your channel, and best of all you have to do is make it once and then it only takes seconds to add it to future videos. So this is what we're going to make. It's a 10 to 20 second clip that you add to the end of your videos in Sharefactory, and then on YouTube you add clickable links to your other videos and a subscribe button to help direct viewers to your other videos or playlists. So let's get started. All you need to do is jump into any Fortnite game and find a background that you like. Turn your back so you're facing away from the background that you like and just emote for 10 to 20 seconds. And then that is literally that. You can come out of the Fortnite game once you've done that emote or dance or whatever it is that you want to do. Go into career and then go into replays and just click on the most recent replay that you've got. And you want to go into the replay and literally just find the point where you landed. And you want to use the right stick to change the camera so that it's drone free, and that allows us to move the camera around to wherever we want. And then you can change the speed of the camera and do different things. Just look at the descriptions on the bottom and it tells you what buttons to push, and you just want to get it so that the angle is exactly how you want it. Double press the share button on the controller and then that will start recording, and literally all you need to do is just allow the replay to happen for that 10 to 20 seconds where you're doing the emote, and then as soon as that's finished, double tap the share button again and that will have given you a recording of that emote for that 10 to 20 seconds. Then all you need to do is go into Sharefactory and then just find the clip that you actually just recorded. It gives you the option of naming your project, so you could do that now, but I'm going to show you how to do it later on as an option as well. So what you need to do is just open up the project and then literally just find where your emote is about to end, and then just before it ends you can then just push the square button and go to split clip. And then on the split clip, once you've clicked that, you just need to confirm it and it will just give you the option of confirming, and then that will split the clip into two, and then delete that last bit that we don't need, so you're back to having one clip. And then all you want to do is find where you want the beginning of the clip to be. So I'm just going to choose it here and then again split the clip, and this is what we're going to be left with. So we can delete everything that comes before that split, and there you go, back to one clip, and that is it. And you can see we've got an 18-second clip there, which is absolutely fine. It's between the 10 and 12 range, which is what I kind of recommend. So then you just push the options button and export to gallery. Once exported, you can leave the project, and then if you find the project again and just push the options button on the controller, it will give you the option of renaming the project. So you can just rename it, and I've just put new outro, so absolutely fine. I'll show you how to add it to one of your videos. So imagine you've just completed a video and you want to add the outro. All you do is find that video, and here's a Fortnite win video that I've made, and then so the video finishes, I've got the win, and then all I do is push the cross button on the controller and go to add clip. I find the new outro that we just created, push the cross button and square to add it to the end of the video, and that is our outro added to the end of the video. Now to tidy it up, make it a little bit more professional, go to the clip before, push the cross button and go to add transition and choose whichever transition you want, but I like this dissolves and cross fade, so just click on that and then it'll just fade nicely into the outro from there. So that's the outro added to your video. So all you need to do once you're happy with the video and ready to upload it, just push the options button, go to export to gallery and then choose on share, and then I presume you know how to upload to YouTube from there if you are at the stage of adding outros. So you've finished with Sharefactory, you can end the project. Now we just need to go to our YouTube channel. So go to the profile on the internet and find your YouTube studio and click on content, and then what you want to do is find the video that you've just uploaded. So this is the one at the top up here, so click on the details, and then down the right hand side you just need to scroll down until you find end screen, and then when you get to end screen it gives you these various options of layouts, but I'm just going to choose this one. There are a couple of things we need to do. I'll just check, and that is the time of the link starting in your video and also the position of the link. So first of all, you can look down the bottom here and you see right at the bottom our video shows when our outro starts. So you can just drag these clips here all the way. These are the links that you can drag for the subscribe button or the videos, and then you can just move those across to where the video starts. You can also change the position of the links themselves so that it matches where we want them to be for our video. So in this case, I want to move everything across to the left hand side, and you can actually change what you're linking to as well. So you could change elements, which is, you know, like your videos or playlists or whatever you want to be showing on a screen at that time. Once you've done it, push the save button, and once you've checked everything else is correct on your video, you can upload it, and then you'll be able to look on the public video and just see what it looks like, and it will look something like this. So by adding outros to all of your videos, it gives the viewer the opportunity to watch more of your content, which is absolutely brilliant for increasing views and watch time. If you found this useful, please hit the like button, please use NoMoreNoobie as support of Creator Code in the item shop, and subscribe if you haven't, and thanks for watching. Thanks very much. Bye.